So before that, we have some people here. Now, you know that how many of us have finished summer break?
What? No,
How many of us are done with summer break or you're still on
no,
break? Some of us are still on break.
I only have 1 week left.
I only have
Wow.
one
So
week left.
wow, so you're still enjoying. All right. So during the summer, some people decided to, let's learn
I
coding
only have
during this
after
summer.
tomorrow.
Okay. All right. So some people decided that, let's also learn coding during this our summer break.
Yes.
And so we have some of them here with us. We have some of our students that did the summer of code. They just did a short program on coding, and they are joining us here for the community meetup. So if you are joining us from the Summer of Code, also drop your name in the chat and let's meet you. Tell us your name and one thing that you like doing. We see it in the chat. And if you know this is not your first time, you can also drop your name and welcome them. Welcome them. You know this is not your first time. You can also drop your name and welcome them. I'm not seeing anything in the chat. Okay, so we have Yusuf Amida, first person to drop. Wow. Okay, you guys are not dropping something about you. I said drop your name and something fun about you. Okay, I'm saying welcome. I've not seen anything fun about you. Okay. All right. So we have some of them in the chat. So as they're dropping their names, we are going to read. Okay. All right. So as they're dropping their names, we are going to be welcoming them. So if you are just joining us for the first time, drop your name in the chat. All right. And it's very good to have you here. Thank you for joining us. All right. So next off, we are going to be our confession. Our confession. All right. So let's have it. I've already showed it, so this time around, don't worry, I'm not reciting it offhand. We're going to be reading it together. So can we all unmute ourselves as we take our confession? We take it at the count of 3. Can we all unmute ourselves? All right, so are we ready?
Yes.
Yeah.
Are we ready?
Yes. Don't tell me what Mrs. Deborah.
Are we ready?
Yes.
All right, so 1, 2, 3, go.
I am
a light
Shine in the path of darkness.
I am
Created to
created
make the world a
to make
better
the
place.
better place.
I rule
I
and
rule
conquer my
and
world.
conquer my
My
world.
world,
I dominating my world.
dominating my world.
Sunshine
Light
shining
in
in
my
the path of darkness. I am created to make the world.
Okay, so I heard some people's voice and some people, I was looking at their video, but they were not saying anything. They were just looking at the screen. So I am a light shining in the path of darkness, created to make the world a better place. I rule and conquer my world. I'm sun shining bright. I am born to lead. So it's to have us all here once again. All here once again. If you are just joining us for the first time, you can drop your name and something you like doing in the chat. And if this is not your first time, you can welcome whoever is joining us for the first time. So can we have that? Wow, we have a pastor in our midst. Okay, the pastor in our midst. Pastor Adasa, welcome. All right, so moving on, we're going to be having our first set of project presentation. Yeah, we're going to be having some of our students present their project. We're going to be having them present that project. So please, even though you are presenting your project today, do well to open your project down. If it's on Scratch, open it down, load it down, open your slides so that we don't have to wait for it to load. So if you are presenting any project, Scratch, Meetup event, or whatever you are presenting, open it down so that when you are called upon to share, you share your screen. And everybody should take notes. You don't annotate on someone's screen. You don't annotate on someone's screen. Whoever is presenting, let the person present. And when they are done, they will be asked if you have any questions. If you don't have any question, don't worry. If you have a question, just wait for the person to finish talking. Is that fine?
Yeah.
Is that fine?
Yes.
All right. So we'll be having our first set of presentation. Okay, so we have Ire, Wisdom, and Fade Shikem. So I'm going to stop sharing. And okay, yeah. So I've stopped sharing. So Ire, you can go ahead and all right. So Nasi, welcome. All right. So Ire, you can go ahead and share your screen.
Hello, everybody. My name is Ire, and I'm presenting you my project presentation. So today I'm presenting to you a project called Sound Player. I'll load it up now.
Okay, so Ire, are you sharing your phone screen? Okay.
I'm just
Yeah, still sharing your
loading.
slides. All right, we can see your slides.
Yeah, this is going to take too long for loading it. Yeah, you all know, right?
Just have your slides.
This is going to take forever.
Oh, I made a mistake.
This is going to be taking forever.
Richard,
It's
can you
gonna load.
mute yourself?
I can't hear
Ire,
anything.
okay, Ire, can you hear
Mr.
me?
Bore, you're breaking. You're breaking.
She's not breaking. So Ire, when you're ready to show us the project, let us know. Once it's come, let us know.
No breaking.
Okay.
Who's the next person?
Fade, hear me.
All
Are you
right,
here?
Fade.
Yeah.
All right, now go ahead and share your screen.
Yes.
Hello everyone. My name is Fade Shikemi Fadirandokas. I'll be presenting a prognosis chatbot. My problem statement is reducing the amount in hospital waiting room by gathering the symptoms of each patient and deriving a prognosis from them through the use of prognosis chatbot. The doctors are able to get an insight into the patient's illnesses. The solution: I'm providing a prognosis chatbot to communicate with patients to get their symptoms and send to the doctors. Using Python programming, I developed a prognosis chatbot that could contain sets of common diseases with the symptoms. The symptoms would prompt the user to enter the observable symptoms and derive a prognosis report based on those symptoms. Prognosis is like the outcome or cause of a disease, the chance of a recovery or recurrence. The relation to the SDG goal. This project is in relation to the third goal in the Sustainable Development Goal, and it is about health and well-being. So the technology I used is I use Python code and will be running through command prompt. The concepts I learned in this program are making the use of list and multi-dimensional tuples, variable input, and if statement, loops, etc. The project features are diseases database, symptoms database, and prognosis generation. Thank you. So this is my code. So this is the code I did. Can anyone hear me?
Yes, we
Yes.
can hear you.
Yeah, continue.
We can.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So I'm going to run the code. So does anyone want to tell me how many symptoms they can observe or something like that?
Okay. How
Hello.
many symptoms we can observe?
Yeah.
Okay. See who
Seven.
raised hands. Does anybody? Okay. Nobody's raising their hands. Or drop your comments in the chat. How many symptoms can you observe? You can drop it in the chat. Nobody. Ah. Okay, let me. Okay, somebody has said 5. Nashi has said 5.
Okay. 5.
Somebody said 45. Okay.
So what symptoms do you observe?
I don't know what the answer is.
Okay, so what symptoms? Okay, so what our project does is based on the symptoms you have, it gives a prescription of what is likely going on. So she's asking you how many symptoms do you observe. So based on, okay, maybe someone is not feeling fine and the person has the headache, the fever, and maybe body pain. That's 3 symptoms. Then you enter your symptoms, right, Fadi?
Yeah.
All right. So now somebody has given us 5, which was nursery. So what were the 5 symptoms that you have?
Let's just list it as Miss Deborah said. So let's go for
Okay.
body pain, fever,
Headache,
Vomiting.
body pain, nausea,
nausea,
fever,
fever,
yeah,
body pain.
body pain. Last one.
Remains one. Okay. Let's have stomach pain.
Vomiting.
Okay.
So the symptoms you have are allergies, cold and flu, diarrhea, and malaria.
Wow.
Diarrhea.
Wow. So that is what the prognosis is.
What's diarrhea?
Okay.
Only
All right.
Diarrhea.
absolutely
So we
awesome.
have allergies.
When you go to the toilet too much.
Not throwing up.
Absolutely.
Okay.
So, but
Plus, it's called diarrhea.
how do you test senses on the what's it called now? Is it authenticity or the correctness of your predictions? How do you test the correctness of this
Because you have to so the code, yeah. So it's like it tells you, well, if you have an allergy,
Allergy
there are
doesn't
some
mean that.
symptoms you have to have for you to have an allergy, like, and if you have diarrhea, there are symptoms of diarrhea before you know a person has a diarrhea. And if you have a cold and flu, everyone has each of the symptoms is you have to get before you know the prognosis or something
Okay, so
that
did
they
you
have.
like train your codes to know that so and so would
Yeah.
know this? Okay. So, but do you like attest that we can't 100% trust this yet?
Yeah.
Yeah, but this is a wonderful try. What would you like to be in the future? Oh, let me ask, what inspired this project?
My mom,
Oh,
yeah, because she's a nurse and stuff like that. So she does a lot of helping and stuff with medicals. And she I wanted to be a medical doctor before I started coding. So
Seriously? You wanted to be a medical doctor before you started coding. So now you don't want to be a medical doctor. What do you want to be now?
a computer scientist. So,
Wow.
Why?
because I found that like I can't stand some things in medical in terms of medical stages, something like that. So
I guess we'll talk more about this after now. If you still want to be a medical doctor, coding doesn't stop you.
yeah.
That's maybe you don't want to really be a medical doctor. But this is a nice, I want to encourage you. Well done. I'll just say keep at it, like train your codes or train your program to understand more and be more precise, right? So that's what I'll say. Well done. Thank
Thank you.
All right, well done. Well done, Dr. Fadi. So that was really a beautiful one. I really enjoyed that. I loved your presentation. You were calm and hot. So okay, so Ire, I don't know, are you available now? Is your network stable? Are you available?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, all right. So you can come up, share your screen. Let's see what you have for us.
So I I made a project about a music player that you can use to play different type of music. And please, Mr. Ben, please can you help me uh uh make I mean like please I don't I have the phone but I don't know how to share it on the meetup. So Mr. Belen, please can you help me do that?
Okay, Ire. All right. Run your companion.
Your
Okay, you
phone.
can stop sharing. Let me share. You can stop sharing. Let me share my screen.
Sorry. Okay.
All right. So for everyone
Okay.
wondering, he's trying to run his app so we can see how it works, and that's what we want to do for him now. So we can all see. Please don't forget to ask your questions, encourage everyone presenting, and just make sure you're learning.
Okay, so it's still coming up. Maybe we should have wisdom, and when wisdom is done, at least it should have come up by now. It's still loading on my hand, on my phone. So wisdom, are you here?
Yeah, I am.
All right.
Good.
Let me get this ready.
You can share your screen.
Okay. So why is this taking forever? Okay. Oh, wrong.
This is taking forever.
Okay. So my name is Wisdom, and I'm 10 years old, and I created a healthy eating app to help people with, eating. And the reason why
the reason why I actually made this was because lots of people don't know enough about healthy eating, and they're not sure what foods are good for them or how to make balanced meals. This can lead to unhealthy diets and health problems. We need a simple, fun app that teaches people about nutrition and helps them choose better foods and meal combinations. Solution: my app will teach people about healthy eating in a fun and easy way. It will explain different food groups, to show what balanced meal looks like, 3, give ideas of healthy food combinations. This will help users understand nutrition basics and make healthier eating decisions every day. Wait, is that S? Oh yeah. So the health goal SDG 3 is broad to ensure healthy lives and promote well-being at for all at all ages. The SDG declaration emphasizes that to achieve the overall health goal, we must achieve universal health coverage, UHC, and access to quality health care. I used Scratch and I used operators, input and output. I used controls, events, broadcasting, and conditionals. Project features: explain different food groups, show what a balanced meal looks like, give ideas for healthy food combination. And this is the project. We just need that to work. Okay, so this is the project. So you can learn about classes of food, eating balanced diet, and healthy food combinations. So first we're going to go to learning classes of food. So it talks us through all the like carbohydrate, protein, vegetable, fats and oil, fruits, water, and eating a balanced diet. So it talks us through what a balanced diet means, and yeah, and a bit more stuff. So and
Okay, so sorry to cut you, Wisdom. Wow, this is really beautiful. This is lovely, trust me. But we don't really have that much time. Can you just show us how it works so that everybody can see, and so that Iri can continue? But this is beautiful, really. It's just time, really. I love the design. I love everything about it. It's just time. Thank you.
Okay, and the last one is healthy food combinations. So these are the ones that I could find on the internet. So these, yeah, so these are all of them. and we tap on the button to do that thing. And that is pretty much my whole project.
Wow. Wow, this is beautiful. Ah, I'm tempted to ask a number of questions, really. So, you can research you did, I mean, on to have balanced diet or to eat healthy. This is beautiful. Do you want to tell us what inspired you and how you're able to get the right data to help people eat healthy?
Okay, so I was just wondering that it is proving that most of the population of the Americans, that most of them are, fat. So I just wanted to help change that a bit. And where I got all the stuff from. So I just use Google, and my trainer, Mr. Hanif, helped me put all the words together, and yeah.
Okay, all right, that's beautiful. So if you have any question for him, please drop it on the chat, please. He's seeing it. So you can see, oh my God, you really don't. You can see the comments on the chat. They're really, really encouraging you. So well done. We hope I to also see more. want to tell I think Americans need to see this. Yep, I think your app has become a savior to fat Americans, isn't it? You need to even check that data because I don't know how did you find out that most Americans are fat? Where did you get that data from?
My teacher told me that actually.
Okay, I guess I hope Americans don't come for your teacher. But anyways, great project. What I love most about your presentation is your slide. It was really detailed, and I enjoy the fact that you understand the problem you are solving and you are able to walk us through to convince us that your app truly solves the problem. So well done. Keep it up.
Well done, it's nice.
Thank
This
you.
can actually save some people. This can actually save some people, truth.
Yeah, that's
Especially those that are obese.
Alpha can really help a lot of people. Well done. Keep it up.
all right. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for encouraging him. Thank you. So, Ire, you can come up now so you can share your screen. Let's see. Ire, are you still here with us? Yeah, the app is on the screen now.
Yes, Ma.
So Ire, someone is presenting your app for you. So just go ahead and tell us what to press.
So this is my app, and it's a music player. So it plays different types of music. So if you click one button, any button that's great, it will play the song, and when you click pause, it will it will so it will like it will play the song. So if you press Baby Shark now, please can you press Baby Shark, please? Mr. Ben, please can you press Baby Shark?
Okay, I think she's pressing Baby Shark, but
Maybe his volume is not,
no, the
because when
volume is off.
Okay, so it's playing. Did you guys hear it?
No, we didn't hear it.
I can't
Maybe it
hear
didn't
it.
share your sound.
Share the sound.
So click on that arrow to share the sound.
The truth is that I'm not hearing anything.
What about the play button? Shouldn't there be a play button?
No, there's not a play button.
Is the button the music?
All right.
Yourself that plays
The
the button.
music is already the button.
Okay.
Did you hear that?
Yes, we did. Okay,
So
good father. What up,
Yes.
good father?
yeah, you can click that.
Yeah, but I don't know what it says.
I think it's
You
best
guys
that
will
you
have
should
to
just press it just once and wait.
hold on. Everybody should mute so that we can hear only the sound.
So if you press pause now, it will pause, and if you click it again, it will continue playing. Then if you press stop and click it again, it'll start again. All the musics do that.
Okay. Okay.
So all the musics follow after that.
Wow, that's amazing. Okay, so well done, Ire. I have a feedback for you. So for the just like everyone was in the loop of where is play, where is stop. Can Okay, can you share it on your laptop so that I can pass the comment?
Share it on my laptop.
Yes, yes.
Okay. But on App Inventor you can't play it on the laptop.
Yeah, right. Yeah, don't worry. Just scroll down. Okay, thank you. So yeah, now on App Inventor, you can set your code for this button to perform two things, right? So take for it, you're already doing that. Okay, you say you have to click on you can actually use this button for the pause and play. So when your screen initializes, it sets that button dot text to play, right? And but when the music starts playing, if you use a player, once player is playing, you should set this stuff to pause, right? You can use your code to switch the words. So you can use this button to like pause, and whenever it's paused, you know that it's paused already, right? And then it can switch to play. Do you get what I'm saying? Yeah, but this is a wonderful project. Well done. And one more comment. You know how to use the layout, the horizontal arrangement and vertical
Yeah, I
arrangement.
used it.
Okay, great. So you
I
can
haven't finished my slide though that I was showing you. So I'll
yes,
quickly do it.
I'm just talking about this. So when you are doing your layout, you can have the music on another set of music on another row, another set of music on another row. Do you understand?
Yes, Miss Claire.
Right. So you can continue your slide.
So if you have any questions about this question, please ask.
Does anybody have any question?
Me.
You can ask.
Okay.
My question is, why don't you not put at least
One says how long did it
that
take?
we know?
What did you say? I can't hear you.
Why don't you not put songs that we know?
I put Baby Shark.
Okay, so he has some songs that are
That's
there.
Baby Shark.
He has some songs that you might know, but you might not know all the songs.
I have a
Yeah.
question.
Okay, so because of time, if you have any question, you can drop it in the chat. You can drop your questions in the chat and Ire would answer you. All right, so we're going to be playing a short game quickly. A short game. Yeah, so this is how the game goes. We're going to be knowing who knows digital designs. Digital designs. Yeah, so those icons that you used to see, those designs, those small logos that you used to see. Want to find out if we really know it. So we're going to be taking it like this: a boy, a girl, a boy, a girl, a boy, a girl, a boy, a girl. Yeah. So let's start. We have two teams: a boy, a girl. So we've already seen some of the logos. So let's start. Yeah. No, I did 16. So which boy will be going first? He picks a color. He picks a number. Wait. So if you want to go, just raise your just raise your hands. Just raise your hands. Just you don't have to do it. Okay, so you're going to see reactions down. You're going to see reactions down. So whoever I call is the person that is going to pick a number. And when the person picks the number, that is the only person allowed to talk. So everybody else mute yourself. Whoever I call is the only person allowed to talk. So everybody else mute yourself. So we have the team one, which is and we have the team two, which is the girl. So we have our score showing. So everybody mute yourself. All right, so we have team one and team two. So first off, we are going to be having Toluwanimi, Toluwanimi. Pick a number.
No.
You have to pick a number.
Lucky number.
Toluwanimi.
My lucky number 7.
Is that Toluwanimi?
Yeah.
All right, lucky number 7. So it's going to show you the logo or the icon, and it tells you're supposed to tell us the icon. Only Toluwanimi is allowed to answer. All right. So what does this mean or represent?
Desktop.
Desktop. Final answer.
Yeah.
Final answer. Should we check? Okay.
No.
All right. So that's for team one. All right. So team two, the ladies, pick a number. Pick a number. Oh, I gave it to you. Sorry.
3.
Okay.
3.
It's a lady. So let me look at the lady I'm going to be picking. I saw Adasa's hand up the other time. So Adasa, pick a number. I gave the team one a score. They got it wrong. Adasa, pick a number.
3.
Is Adasa still here? She's no longer here. Okay, Victoria, pick a number. Is it Adasa that is saying 3? That's not Adasa's voice. Victoria, pick a number. Where are all the ladies that are raising their hands? They're not answering. Wow.
I just click.
Man, yeah.
I called Adasa, I called Victoria. I didn't hear any number. Okay, let me go to the next one.
3. I said
Who is
3.
3? Okay, sorry, I wasn't here. All right, so what does this mean or represent? What does this mean or represent?
I
Yeah.
know this game. Sound
What does this mean or
changer.
represent?
Sound changer.
Something what?
Sound changer.
Sound changer. Okay, so let's check.
I mean a voice changer. Oh.
All right, so it is a microphone. We have it on Zoom. That's why we used to say mute your mic or mute your mic. So it's called a microphone. All right.
I thought it
So
was
let's
a
have.
changer.
You said what?
I thought it was a 12.
All right. Let me see the next guy we have here. Okay, Richard, pick a number.
Me.
Richard, pick a number.
Number 10. Lucky
Number
number
10. Okay. All right. So what does this mean or represent?
This is the one.
Oh my God. Give me 1 second.
Okay. You're not supposed to check online.
He's cheating. He wants to
Very
see.
simple. Very, very simple. I'm not cheating.
Okay. What does it represent?
Thinking. I don't know all this
You
things.
can just say the answer.
It is very
Easy, I
simple.
can do it. Easy.
Nobody should talk. Nobody should talk. Okay, let me call another guy.
You have the
Ma,
answer.
please, me.
Oh,
Me, please.
there are people that have raised their hand.
Me.
All right. So
Me.
let's have Noble.
Ah,
Noble,
no.
what does it
Yeah.
represent?
I don't know.
Okay?
This represents the
Singing.
Apple App
App
Store.
People put that thing.
Apple what?
He looks at me like
Apple App
now.
Apple Store. Apple Store. Apple Store. Apple Store.
Apple App Store.
Okay.
Yes.
And
Yeah.
he says,
All right. So one more person should pick. Now a lady. So Adasa, pick your number. Adasa, pick your number.
I don't know what she picked the other time. Can we?
12.
It was Victoria that picked. Okay, 12.
Okay,
Mommy,
12.
Okay.
what does this
What does this mean or represent? Adasa.
Can any of the girls answer?
Yes. Okay. Okay. Any of the girls should answer.
If you know it, just
Okay. Can we have a girl answer? Any of the girls? Any of the girls? Any of the girls?
Imra.
I didn't hear. Nobody knows.
Google Assistant.
Someone said Google Assistant. Should we check Google Assistant?
No, go. I'm a girl.
Are we agreeing?
Yes.
Google Assistant.
Assistant.
The truth you can be correct.
No.
No points for the
All right. Okay, so we'll continue later. We've done 2 rounds, so we'll continue later. So let's go to another round of presentation. And when we are back, we are going to do some tongue twisters and some other games. So moving on, we have for the project presentation, we have Aderola on the call. Aderola, are you here? Aderola, are you here? If Aderola is not here, Rotimi, are you here? Rotimi on the call. Okay. Joseph, are you ready?
Yes, I am.
All right. So share your screen and let's have you share your project. Don't worry, we're still going to play more
All right.
calls.
Okay. The exercise app created by Okpayon Sawa Joseph. Me. What problem does my app solve? The exercise app reduces the risk of obesity, stroke, and heart attack through exercises such as jogging and running. What solution is your app providing? My app is an app that encourages people to exercise to reduce the risk of heart attack and heart diseases. What SDG goal is my app related to? The SDG goal my app related to is good health and well-being. What programming language did I use? I used App Inventor. The components I used are button, labels, horizontal arrangements, and new screen. My app counts the steps when you go jogging or running. And in running, it also tells you, it also counts how many meters you have gone. Okay. So this will be the point where I will show you my app. This is actually my first presentation, so I'm kind of nervous.
No, you don't have to. Calm down.
Okay. I will show you guys my app from my tablet.
Victor, stop saying please. Be quiet. Ah, why is some people just saying please because stop talking?
The exercise app. It contains jogging and running. And when I open jogging, it will bring out a whole new screen. And if you click the start button, it is like when you take your phone for jogging. When you start like jogging, it
Joseph,
will be counting the steps you have taken.
just reduce the volume of your phone to the barest minimum so that the echo reduces. The phone audio, reduce it or disconnect one of your audio. Anyway. All right, unmute yourself now.
Okay. So when you click on the stop button, it will stop counting the steps you have taken. And if you click on the reset, it will take it will like start it from beginning. It will take the numbers to 0. Click
Okay.
in if you click on this button, it takes you back to the home screen.
Can you like jog? Let's see. Can you try to jog on the spot?
Okay.
Click on jogging and then let's
Okay. See, I am
jog.
jogging right now. And it's actually counting the steps I have taken. And if I click on the stop button, it will stop counting the steps immediately. And click on the reset, it starts it all over from beginning. Click on the home screen, takes you back to the beginning. And the running is somehow the same thing, but this one, the only difference is that it counts the meters you have run. Click on the start button. For instance, now I start running. It will start counting how many meters I've gone and how many steps I have taken. And if I click on the stop button, the same thing will happen. It will stop counting. The reset, the same thing. And you tap to the home screen, it will take me back to the home screen. That's all I have to present for today. Thank you for giving me your time.
Wow, that's a whole lot. That's a whole lot. Thank you, Joseph. That's beautiful. That's a lovely one. Does anyone have any
Thank you.
does anyone have any question? It's your first
Is
time
there
I'm
any question?
asking.
No.
Any question for Joseph?
I have a question.
Okay, all right, please go on.
I have a question. How long did it take you to make the app? It didn't take me quite long. Let me approximate about 2 days. 2 days. Okay.
Yeah, that's beautiful. So 2 days, so being consistent. I'm sure you might run it. Did you run into any error at any point, Joseph?
I didn't hear you. Please may you repeat that?
Did you run into any bug at any time? Like when you're making the app?
Did I run what?
Did you run into any error? Like any error while you're making the app?
Yes, I did.
So you're able to fix it and pass through
Yes,
that.
it was quite frustrating.
Yeah, it was quite frustrating. So you get that. So it's not that easy, but then you're determined, you're dedicated. So that's a beautiful one, really. Well done, Joseph. Please give him thumbs up. Show some
Thank you.
react. If you have any other question, you can drop it on the chat. If we tend to them. Abisola, are you here with us now? Abisola, in case you're here, you're muted. Please, can you unmute and talk or something? Abisola, are you here?
Yes, I am.
Oh, all right. Please don't let us someone is presenting. If you have any question, wait until they are done or put the question on the chat and please don't
Are you
interrupt.
thinking?
Okay.
Kingi, you are not
All right.
going to finish class. Come and sweep the floor.
So my game is about, so maybe the louder you shout, the higher it jumps, and if it touches the blocks, that it goes to game over.
Nice. So
So like that. So when like this.
that was loud.
And if you touch the line, you're out too.
Wow, this is a very beautiful game. It's really lovely. So it's a game. You have to avoid the world, right? You have to jump higher or go under, right?
yes, and you have to like shout to stop it from to make it go higher. So the louder your voice, louder. So can you try it again, Abisola? And please scream out very well so that we can see how far.
Okay. I can't shout that loud.
Okay, let me play it. Let me
Okay.
try. Okay,
Wait,
so
can I play?
click on the green flag. Let me shout for you.
Okay. Do anybody else want to play? Maybe.
Me.
I.
You said
No, I want to play. I want to play.
Stop
No,
it.
I want to play. I want to play.
Everybody,
No, me.
raise your hand if you
No,
don't
me.
want to play. Dara, you can try. Dara, try. Okay, click on the green flag. Let Dara try. Dara, mute yourself. Okay, Dara, over to you. Click on the green flag. Ah, Dara, you're not screaming, no. All right, I think that's
Okay, all right, Bisola, sorry, we really don't have that much time again. Please share the link on the chat so that anyone or everyone can interact with it. This is really beautiful. I love this. I love this. So I'm making amazing stuff. Wow, this is lovely. Okay, so any question for her? Just a minute for the question. Any question for her?
I have a question.
I have a question.
I have a question.
I'm the first. I said so.
All right, so please go ahead.
all right. You can go ahead.
I have a
Did it take you to program this thing?
What did you say?
How long did it take you to program this?
question.
How many days, Abisola?
I think it took like maybe
Okay. All right. Noble, everyone that has a question, chat.
you could send the question in the chat if you want.
Yeah, thank you for that. Thank you. Please show us some love, show some emoji on the chat, and yeah, so put your question on the chat, please. She'll tend to them. Rotimi, you're here, right? Rotimi, in case you're talking, you're muted. Rotimi, are you here?
Yeah.
What about the link?
All right, Tito, please prepare after Rotimi. So Rotimi, please, you can now have the stage.
Oh, yeah. Did it work with shout?
Welcome to my presentation. My name is Rotimi Sami. I made this.
Okay, Rotimi, sorry, hold on. If your sister is behind you, she might need to move because it's echoing,
Yeah, she should unmute. She should
or she mute or move, reduce her volume.
reduce your laptop volume, Dara. Dara and okay, allow me this now. Okay, so over to you, Rotimi.
My name is Rotimi Sani. I made this project by scratch. Good evening. I want to present my project. It is called Rest Made Easy. Problem statement. This problem is people getting tired and weak. Solution to the problem. The solution is helping tired and weak people find rest.
Big, big.
Regulation to SDG goals. It is related to SDG goal 3, which deals on good health and well-being. Technology used. I made this project using Scratch programming language. Fractions used in this project. I made this project using broadcast say block. Wait 1 second. When I receive and broadcast and stop all. I'm done.
It's a good day, everyone. Let's learn about SDG Goal 3. Hope you learned something good after this teaching.
The mom is tired and the boy is asking the mom, why you not feeling well? And he said, so sorry about that, mom. And mom is. Now. I'm done with my project.
Wow. Rotimi, that's amazing. How old are you, Rotimi?
7.
You're 7.
Yes.
Really cool, right? I like your mix of colors from your slides. They've really been so nice. I just want to say well done to you. Keep it up. Is that okay?
Yes.
And one question, why didn't you use the text to speech for the mother and son conversation? Or you preferred the text instead of text to speech?
I prefer the text.
Okay. All right. Anyways, beautiful project. Well done.
Yeah, this is lovely. Rotimi, well done, well done. Thanks for that amazing project. A way to rest, right? Or even for resting. Okay, so does anyone have any question for Rotimi? Any question?
I do. Me.
Just want
I do.
Quiet down. Quiet down.
all right.
One at
I
a
do.
time.
I do.
One at a time.
All right, so we can all put our questions on the chat. You can all put your questions on the chat. Yeah, so drop your questions in the chat. All right, well, while we have another round of a short game before we go to our breakout.
It was
rooms.
nice.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, so Rotimi, they said it was nice. Nice project, Rotimi, and a nice concept. Okay, so let's have So this time around, we are going to be picking. All right. So what we want to have is this tongue twisters. So let's have two people. Okay. So now let's start. Yeah. So I'm going to pick again. This one is tongue twisters. Even though you know how to talk fast or you know how to talk very well, everybody should mute. If I not call you, please don't talk. I'm going to pick. Don't worry. You don't need to raise your hand. I'm going to pick. There are some people's voice I've not heard. So let me hear their voices. All right. So I'm going to pick Sitona and Mode. Yeah, Sitona, are you here? Sitona, are you here? She's not responding.
Yes, ma'am. Here.
All right. Okay, so can you pick a number? It's tongue
One.
twister. So you're going to say it. Number one. All right. Okay, so this is what you are saying. Clear your throat and say it for us 5 times as fast as you can.
5 times.
Yes, let's see.
6 sleek swans swam swiftly southward. 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 6 sleek swam swiftly swam.
All right. Okay, that was a very nice try. Well done, well done, well done. That was a very, very nice try. Okay. So let me have another person pick again. Let me see. Who did I pick? That was a lady. Let me pick a guy. Salam Lawal. Yes.
Wait,
Salam Lawal. So can you pick a
he's a
number?
guy.
Is it a guy?
Yes, he's a guy.
Wow. Okay. So we are going to pick a
15.
lady. Hello. Let me see. Okay. Is Chima a guy or a lady?
Me.
Is Chima a guy or a lady? Oh, Chima is not answering me. Chima is not answering me. Doesn't want to talk.
Pick me.
Okay, let me see.
Pick me.
Can we all mute? If you are saying pick me, I'm not going to pick you.
Chima is
If
a
you are
guy,
saying
but
pick me,
Amida.
I'm not going to pick you. Okay. Amida is a lady, right? Amida, yes, let's have Amida. Amida, all right. So can you pick a number?
15.
15. Let's see what we have. Oh, this is quite common. Okay. I'm going to say it.
She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells
I'm hearing
seashells
two
by the
voices.
seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the
Okay, we're not hearing you again, Amida. Can you hear us, Amida? I heard some point from it. All right.
Mom, I'm
Okay,
still
so
here.
let's go. All right. Sorry. All right. So let's go one more round. One more round. Okay. So Salam Bilal. Wow. I called you before. So okay. So pick a number, Salam.
Mm, mm, 13.
Is it the thing? Leave me alone.
This is Abdulsalam.
Salam is not answering. All right.
13. I
So
said
let's.
13.
You said.
Please.
13. 13.
All right. Okay. Wow.
Please, me.
Two told Steve trying to get there. Trying to get to this.
Please pick me. Stop saying pick me. You're not going to
You are
pick
saying
me.
it 5 times. Salam. We're saying it 5 times.
Two told Steve trying to get to Tesco. Two told
It's
Steve
too slow.
trying to
Faster.
get to Tesco. Two told Steve trying to get trying to get to Tesco. Two told Steve trying to get to Tesco. Two told trying to get to Tesco.
All right. Okay. So we have a lady nest. Dara. Dara. All right, so pick a number.
Uh,
8.
8. Okay. So 5 times 1, 2, 3, go. We can't hear you, Dara.
Fuzzy
Was
Wuzzy
a bear.
was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair.
Faster, faster, faster.
Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy
Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair.
hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear.
All right. Okay. All right. So
Can do better.
you can do better. All right, no problem. So don't worry, the link will be sent to the Google Workspace and we can actually see it there and try it out. All right, so quickly we'll be going to our breakout rooms for a 5 minutes discussion. And what we are discussing is, does technology help kids learn better or make it harder to learn? Does it help us learn better or make it harder to learn? That's what you're going to discuss. So you guys have 5 minutes. And once you are done with 5 minutes, discuss and pick a person that is going to come back to come and tell us about what you discussed. If you guys are going for it helps you learn better or it makes it harder. So pick someone. If you are learning Scratch, you're adventurer, MIT app inventor or app lab creator, Python web development, UI UX, you are innovators. So let's join our breakout rooms as we are assigned. Does technology help you learn better or it makes you learn harder, makes it harder for you to learn? So let's join the breakout room as we are assigned. Let's join
Just
the
learn harder.
breakout room. Join your breakout room, discuss, assign someone that is going to talk. And you're already assigned. You guys are already assigned. Some of you have already been assigned. You can join your breakout room. Join your breakout room. Join your breakout room and have your discussion there. Hope you guys are joining, Sha.
I've not
Because
seen
most of you
my
have been assigned. Okay.
I've not seen my
Yeah,
own
I
yet.
don't have.
Ah,
I'm
You
not
haven't
in yet.
assigned me.
Oh, me.
Ire, you have been okay. Ire, you have been assigned.
No, I'm not in yet.
Elizabeth, you have been assigned. Nifemi, you have been
No, I'm not in
assigned.
yet.
Shubumi, you have been assigned. Praise and Heaven, you have been assigned. Rotimi, you have been assigned. Richard, you have been assigned. Richard, you have been assigned. Mofoluwabi, you have been assigned. Who else is still here? Joseph, you have been assigned. Join your breakout room. Adesiri, you have been assigned. Who else is still here? Who is letter G? Who is letter G? Absalam, you have been assigned. Ifan, you should have been assigned. You have been assigned, Ifan. Who else again? Who else again? All right, I think that's all.
Who is S?
SF and letter G.
Who is SF and G?
Double bear brow.
Is that we are powerful beyond measure. We ask ourselves, who am I to be brilliant, gorgeous, talented, and fabulous? Actually, who are we not to be? We are born to manifest the glory of God that is within us. And as we shine our light, we unconsciously permit others to do this. Fear has greatly hindered us from so much greatness that we could have been. There is so much that scares us in life, including ourselves. But it is in our best interest not to be afraid of anything. And even when you are afraid, do it afraid. As a young girl, I was unsure of what I wanted to become. I remember when my high school teacher asked us in class what I wanted to be in future. I couldn't say anything, and then some of my classmates echoed that she'll be a teacher. Maybe they were right, but they were future seers, because I later found my purpose and passion in teaching, even though education was never a choice in university. As I was about to go to the university, I decided to study computer engineering because I was fascinated about everything computer, and I also thought that all I knew about Microsoft Office was computer science. That was misinformation, right? And I made my decision based on that. However, I thank God who always has a plan for our lives and fits us in it, whether we are clear about it or not. During my ICT training, after my pre-degree program, I learned about coding through SQI, a coding school in my school environment that came to raise awareness about the training they were about to start. That was how the journey of tech started for me in the year 2012. On beginning the journey, I wish I had known much about computer while I was younger because I had access to a desktop computer. As someone always curious, I got into different programs, trainings and bootcamp to learn to program as much as I was opportune. After 5 years of learning without a computer and moving from web to C# to Java and to Python and many other programming languages without proper guidance and mentoring, I later got a laptop in the year 2017 and was more interested in teaching things I already knew in tech, especially to young girls. I later started volunteering for organizations that teach kids coding to catch them young. This helps them to know more about tech and also make more informed decisions than I did. The drive for more impact led me to start kids training in schools, and I shared my vision with a friend serving in the city of Akure at that time. He suggested that I come around to the community and we work on a project together. That was how the journey started in June 2017. We were able to train about 30 students in 3 primary schools in that vicinity. The journey bettered Ruby's technology and we started visiting more schools in Lagos, Oyo State, Ogun State and many other places, teaching kids to code for free. It has been 7 years of doing something I didn't initially have a roadmap to do. It has been 7 years of doing it afraid. It has been 7 years of making impact. It has been 7 years of daring to be different. What started with little or no clarity or plan has become the impact-driven organization that has impacted over 4,000 kids and teenagers. A team of 1 person reaching out to kids and teenagers in Akure has now become a team of over 20 committed people impacting lives all around the world. After running an NGO for 3 years, we introduced the paid virtual coding school in November 2020, and since then we have operated as a social enterprise. Today we are a registered company and a registered NGO with the same goal of educating, equipping and empowering Africans with digital and technological skills for global relevance. I want to thank God Almighty for planting the vision in my heart, nurturing it, and providing people to help me work together on it, achieving this milestone. I want to thank my family and friends for the support they are giving me and making me to be able to have a room to thrive. I want to thank my volunteers, staffs, colleagues, trainers, mentors.
Okay, I can see lot adventurers are here. Looks like they're ready to come and tell us their side of the discussion with all their assurance. All right, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So we are here again. So I'll wait for more people to come. The breakout room has closed. Yeah. So let's have
It's a staggering number, and that's why we're here today.
okay. So we have everyone here. All right. So who is talking for the adventurers? Who is talking for the adventurers?
It's me.
Did anyone?
That's me.
Okay, wisdom. Okay, what of the innovators? Who is talking? And creators, who is talking? Wisdom for adventurer. Who is talking for creators?
I'm the
Nobody
one.
for creator. Okay, dear
Yeah.
Yeah,
Kolola.
Kola.
All right. So and dear Kolola, wisdom. What of innovators? Who is talking for innovator? Who is me? Me. Who is talking for innovator now? The person is supposed to have a name.
Amida.
Okay, Amida. All right. So let's
Sorry,
have
ma'am.
wisdom. All right, wisdom. So can we have you? So does technology make learning easier or it makes it harder to learn?
So I and the rest of the adventurers think that it makes it like 100 times easier. So first of all, it changes how you think about stuff. It helps you to solve problems also. It also increases your IQ and it helps you dig deep in the creative world and
Okay.
and it saves time and energy also.
Wow. That's already quite a lot of points. All right, so we have the adventurers going for it
Just
makes
enter
us
my breakout
learn
room. I
better.
beg.
Helps us learn better. So we have that from the adventurers. How about the creators?
Okay.
The creators.
Good day, everyone. My name is Jakarala. So I and the rest of the creators feel that technology makes us smarter in ways like math, science, and creativity. Tech can also enhance our brain. Certain computer programs improve memory, multitasking skills, and more. Technology offers various
Ah,
learning.
Bro, did you read the whole essay?
somebody is asking if you wrote an essay.
Huh?
Wow. That is very good. That is very good.
Yeah, did you write an
You
essay
guys,
or just some notes?
all
Yeah,
right,
did
that
you
is
write
very
an
good.
essay or
Okay, so you are
just
also
some
supporting the motion that it actually makes it better. That is very good. All
Yes.
right, Amida, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you turn on your video? All right. Okay, so does technology make it easier to learn or it makes it harder to learn?
It makes it easier to learn.
Okay. Why do you think so? What are your reasons? What did you guys discuss?
Okay. The reason why technology is makes it easier to learn because most people are used to using technology and it makes things easier for you and it makes things faster for you because we use apps like Google Classroom, Hangout, Zooms, and other platforms in school, which makes things easier. And you also use ebooks, e-commerce, because everything in our daily life is basically built off of technology.
Wow,
So it makes
wow,
things
wow. Wow, nice points, everyone. Nice points, everyone. That's very okay. Yes, Mr. Dijoke wants to say something.
Okay, so Wisdom, Amida, and dear Kolola, thank you for that. But I have a question. Some people actually prefer to, some people have said that when they read paper books, they learn better or read better than when they read books.
Well, the if you so there is a limit of you see so there's a limit of how much of laptop you can use because you can't be using it for the whole day because like in like a few years you're gonna start needing glasses so
Exactly. So what's the balance of reading? Should we just stick to reading books and paper and not use screen app?
I mean
No.
Wait,
I
sorry,
mean
I didn't get
it
the
should
question.
be
Okay, so my question was, there are people who read better with paper book, and he also said that if there's even a limit on the laptop because of the eye, protecting your eyes from screen effect and all of that. So I asked that in that case, maybe should we just stick to paper books?
No. We can like use kind of both, just like you can read books and you can just use like tech to support it.
The limit of information you can get from books.
Okay. Okay, so I think overall, I understand your point of technology making learning better. Um, but for the book part, there just has to be a balance, right?
Yes,
There are
ma'am.
places you can carry some books too. Imagine if you have to travel and then you have to carry all the books to read. And there are some books that are really not accessible in some countries, if not for internet, that makes us have access to it. So in that case, technology helps it. So when you talk about improve, it means that there's something that's currently working, but something is coming to improve. It's not coming to take it away, not coming to stop us from reading our paper books, but it's coming to improve the way we learn. Thank you. I learned from you guys, and I hope you learned from me too.
Yes.
yeah we definitely did.
All right.
All right. Okay. So I think nobody's going with the fact that it makes it harder. But okay. All right. Let me go with you guys. But another point that some people make on technology making it harder to learn is because of the distraction that comes with technology. The distraction that comes with technology, you're getting distracted by social media and the likes and so on. But if you're able to balance it, then it's going to be on a profitable side for you. All right, so our last set of presentation before we wrap up. Rolla, can we have you? Rolla, are you here?
Yes, I'm here.
All right, so can you quickly share your screen and let's have you?
Okay.
Somebody has a YouTube channel. All right, so Rolla, turn on your video and let's have you.
Okay.
Then Kim should get ready. Kim, get ready if you are on the call. Kim, get ready.
Hi, my name is Aderola Adesina, and this is my BMI calculator. Problem statement. Obesity is an abnormal accumulation of fat
You're
that
not
has
sharing your
Lola, we
screen.
can't see
Sorry,
your
Rolla, we
screen.
can't see your
See
screen.
your
Okay.
screen.
Oh, for me, what? Okay. Sorry about that. Hello, my name is Aderola Adesina, and this is my BMI calculator product slide. Problem statement. Obesity is an abnormal accumulation of fat that has health risk. It is very important to maintain one's weight within a healthy range. The solution my app is providing. My app is a BMI calculator. The app allows the user to calculate their body mass index by entering just their height and their weight. If your BMI
is less than 18.5, then the app will tell you you are underweight. And if your BMI is greater than 18.5, then you are normal weight. And if your BMI is greater than 25, then you are overweight. If your BMI is over 29.9, you are obese. Related SDGs. It is related to SDG 3, good health and well-being. Technology used. Python programming language, Tinker library. Things I learned. I learned how to add a command to a button. Project features. This is a picture that I took of a BMI calculator. I put in a weight of 23 and I put in a height of 359 centimeters. And I calculated it. I pressed the calculate BMI button, and as you can see here, it said underweight. I would like to also show you the actual code for it.
I see you there.
Now all I have to do is just this. Boom. Now, let's see. What should I put? Let's put 56.
Let me try.
Is
Is that your own height?
Okay.
Is that your own weight? But I'm not sure I know my height, Sha. Maybe somebody that knows their height and weight. If you know your height
Okay,
and
do you want who knows his or her height?
Maybe I knew mine.
Okay, somebody is saying 156 centimeter.
Can I go and check?
Zoe,
okay.
you know your height. Then what's your weight, Zoe? If Zoe is 156 centimeter.
I
What's
weigh
your weight?
36.
Titona, do you know your height and weight?
I weigh 36 kg.
I think my weight is 41 kg, but I'm not sure about my height.
I'll try 41 and 156, and then I'll try 36. That's underweight. If I put 36, that will be also underweight.
Oh, okay.
Well, you can
start eating
This
enough.
should be my weight. Hold on. Height.
I need to stop skipping breakfast.
Okay, what height do you want to use?
my God.
What's the weight of 63?
Who wants the
No, not me, not me, not me.
You have the weight of
Why would
63,
you
huh?
skip breakfast? I don't understand.
You have the weight of 63.
Rolla, just use your weight.
height.
Okay, Rolla, use your
my
weight and
weight.
height. Rolla, can you use your weight and height?
I'm pretty sure this is my weight, and this is my height in centimeters, and this is my. Well, I think it's 66 now, actually.
Your weight is not 66. I can bet the weight is not 66. You don't know your weight.
No, I'm telling you. Last
I
time
bet
I will step on a weight pad just to check.
Are you sure your weight is the what you're using to measure?
Does that mean that I'm getting?
Yes, the weight is correct.
Are you sure it's in kilograms?
Yes, this is in kilograms.
Can't be 66. Do you know what 66 is? You just can't be 66. Use 41.
41. Okay.
All right, click on calculate BM. Even your height, centimeter. It can't be 535.
Let's just put a
I
very.
didn't know their weight and height here. Wow. I know my weight, but my height.
I think you're. Oh wait, hold on.
I'm 5.
I think when they mean K, I think I accidentally put kg. I meant meter.
Yeah,
but,
I'm 4.
What about I change this to 413?
You can just
But 9.
but I think we all get the idea of the project, right? So do you have questions, Barella?
If it's 41, 45. Oh, I see.
Please. 45 is too much for like
nice.
Okay. Thank you.
Well done.
Oh, come on.
Really helpful.
Oh, get it ready.
Just give him comments in the chat. Okay. So the next person to present,
Okay, so can we have Tara? Tara, are you here?
and Kimberly, I guess.
Kimberly, are you on the call? Tara? Okay. Tara, Kimberly, and King. Any one of you on the call? Wow. Okay. Can you all hear me? Can someone hear me?
Yes.
Okay. So Tara, Kimberly, and King. Wow. Okay. All right. So let me share my screen. Okay. So we are about to announce. So the word problem for last month was on SDG Goal 3. Good health and well-being. How many of us did the word problem? If you did it, raise your hand. Just raise your hand. You don't need to talk. Just raise your hand. If you did the word problem, just raise your hand. Just raise your hand. All right. So I can see some answers. So if you submitted before the deadline, yeah, you should have seen your score by now. And if you submitted after the deadline, you'll soon see your score. So we want to announce the winners. We want to announce the winners. We want to announce the winners. All right. So we have, I mean, if you think you won, start clapping for yourself. Wow, somebody's already clapping for himself. Who
I
is that?
knew I won. I knew I won.
Why do you think you won, Wisdom?
I know I won. I
That's
feel it in my blood.
I'm not
Wisdom,
sure.
why you clapping yourself?
How do
All
you
right.
one? Have you seen
I
your
think
Ah.
you told me
So
to.
let's see
Who
our
told
winners.
them?
Who
God,
told you
please let it be
Wisdom?
me.
I don't know.
Why does Wisdom feel he won?
Because
I hope
Dara
it's
is also
me.
clapping her hand. All right,
I'm
I
so
won.
let's
I
see
hope
our
I
winners.
won.
If you see your name
Just
on the next slide.
us in the chat and see if you yes, because you can drop it in the chat.
yes. Let's go. I got
All
it.
right. So we have Wisdom, we have Adirola, and we have Tishe.
I knew it.
So Wisdom, the project Wisdom created was what he presented, the one that talks about the classes of food, balanced diet, and healthy food competition. And the one Adirola presented is also his BMI calculator. And Tishe also Tishe, I don't think I've seen Tishe on the call, so he won for the creator
Richard,
stage.
stop that.
So, Richard, can you stop annotating on my screen? I understand that you're trying to celebrate with the adventurers, but please stop annotating on my screen. So, they are going to be our students of the month for the month of September. They are going to be our students of the month
Congratulations.
for the month of September. So they have the flyers, Wisdom and Adirola. So yeah. So you'll see your flyers, don't worry, you'll see your flyers. So well done,
Wisdom,
congratulations.
congrats.
We see your project,
Wisdom,
we celebrate
congrats.
what you are doing,
Congrats.
and cheers to more creative projects. So let's celebrate them in the chat. You can drop your balloons and the likes in the chat, drop your reaction, and let's see. So we also have some people who celebrated their birthday in the month of August. If you celebrated your birthday in the month of August, can you use the cake emoji? Even though we did not say our cake, you not give us cake.
I am part of them.
All right, so happy birthday to all our August celebrants. Cheers to more years, many more years in good health and wellness. Many celebrations. So can you quickly sing for them? 1, 2, go. Happy birthday
Sing for me.
to you.
Thank
Happy
you.
birthday to
To
you.
you.
Happy
Happy
birthday.
birthday.
Happy
Happy
birthday.
birthday.
Happy
Happy
birthday
birthday
to
to
you.
you. Please don't behave.
All right, end of song. All right, so some announcements before we go. So if you submitted your word problem, check the Google Classroom. for your word problems go. Next month, happy resumption to those who will be resuming on Monday. Happy resumption for those everybody will be resuming in the month of September. So happy resumption. The word problem for next month, SDG number 4, quality education, back to school. So your word problem, you have to design a project that help learners read, help pupils read. You guys have agreed that technology helps you learn better. So you're going to design a project that either helps the students read and learn effectively or help the teachers teach effectively. Whichever one you want to do is welcome. And also the Kids Tech Talk holds next month, where we have some of our students come to tell us about their technological journey. They'll come to talk about tech, come to talk about coding, come to talk about anything. Don't worry, you want to know who's going to talk. It can be you. So join us on the 14th of September on YouTube. Join us on the 14th of September on YouTube. And we also have our past YouTube. We also have our past community meetup on YouTube. So if you are joining us for the first time, Summer of Code students, thank you very much for joining us. We appreciate your efforts. You can also check YouTube for previous videos of the community meetup. You can also check YouTube. We have it on YouTube. Yes, Joseph?
Is me Oriofe.
Oh, sorry, Oriofe.
So which time by 14th of September?
All right, so it's going to be 12 p.m. Nigerian time.
Okay, ma. Thank God I've already subscribed.
Yeah, so let's send the link again. The link again will be sent. All right. Wisdom has sent the link to his own YouTube channel.
I have a question.